Okay, to make our next boat, we need to make a Blintz base. So what we're going to do is take our square piece of paper and fold it in half, like that, and then open it up, and then we're going to fold it in half the other way. There we go. This is so we create a cross across the middle of the page. Now what we're going to do is bring these points into the center. This is a really simple base, but it's one that's used in quite a few different origami pieces. Just make sure that these all line up. And the last one. Oh. There we go. We have our Blintz base.